Welcome back to the channel as we explore the powerful NutriBullet 600W nutrient extractor for healthy smoothies. This compact machine features a powerful motor that quickly turns whole foods into liquid fuel for your body. The stainless steel extractor blades use cyclonic action to break down even the toughest ingredients like nuts. Simply load your favorite berries and spinach, then push and twist to start blending your way healthy. This 8-piece set includes 2 durable BPA-free cups and a helpful recipe book for nutritious drinks. Cleanup is a breeze because you just rinse the blades and place cups in the dishwasher. Upgrade your kitchen with this fast and easy solution for making delicious nutrient-packed smoothies every morning. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.